Students at this age may mature earlier than we do. There is a big confusion in the small body. I actually admire them very much. They are very courageous and very brave.
They encounter many issues but are highly proactive in resolving them.
My students gave me a big touch, or rather, I have to walk on thin ice every class, and they really question you away from home. Their forward consciousness is actually very strong.
A wave of students are now thinking about society's future. They need to lead the development of this society. Therefore, we teachers should accept such challenges and learn these things ourselves. Translate into middle school friendly content.
I am educated, and a philosopher's attitude has subtly influenced me. The children's state is a good reminder to me that no matter what you do, you have to put down your arrogance first. While I have excelled in exams, Mr. Zhao, alongside us, is a spiritual presence with room for growth in teaching. So sometimes he needs mental strength, so do you. You can put one as it should be.
Something that tells the student that then maybe it's not good today, and then we go and work together to make it good.
Attend Mr. Zhao's daily class to learn valuable skills and get to know more students beyond just gaining knowledge. To learn about this age group, his habits of behavior, his habits of thinking, and then his study habits.
That's likely how my class feels. Not so serious. I did indeed cooperate with them throughout the class. I guide them to the learning opportunities they seek.
Prepared students may learn that a 45-minute speech typically needs 450 minutes of preparation before it can be delivered. Is to be able to experience the feeling of being on stage for a minute and off the stage for 10 years. Students' ability to express themselves in public, especially to express their own opinions, will be particularly cultivated.
Mining and polishing stone is a time-consuming process. I'll make a set of lard, and I'll go find it. Find a lot of board games in the field of economics that reflect those topics in economics. Come and take it out and play with them. Maybe the significance of this board game is not only in the unit of game theory but also in the understanding of an industry or a topic in economics through this possibility. I studied economics, and I didn't think that a high school would have this major. Upon discovering that opportunity and position, I realized just how incredible the school truly was.
In fact, the school also encouraged us to use our professional expertise to open some courses. I also set up a high-end experimental vehicle to lead students to prepare nanomaterials.
To improve student skills, middle school curriculum should cover computation, mathematics, and artificial intelligence. In today's information age, students should begin using computers and math to solve problems in middle school.
Whether it's aesthetics or the philosophy and humanities that I studied before, it doesn't directly make you think it's useful. It's about the real world around you. Even if they're middle school students, it's very meaningful and necessary so that they can, have a short period of time to face their own hearts.
Our school club is a real, student autonomous club. They are responsible for themselves in society, financially, and for their own desires. To thrive, it must actively promote this aspect. In campus life, club activities like the Junior Architecture Academy do not contradict student studies. They want to make a cat house for some stray cats, so it has to consider a lot of factors to make a cat house, and you don't know it's in the process. What was used? What he's learned that you don't know. And then in this fun way they think, well, why should I study such a subject? It is useful, it is able to solve real problems.
Introduce calligraphy in middle school education to provide a crucial foundation for enthusiastic students. Because middle school is such a stage in which the whole student, its values, its learning ability, and its whole openness to the world are formed. When you are faced with a more open society, a more open environment, you want this. Middle school teachers should help students broaden knowledge and explore interests.
Guys, there is a reason for the school. It's very good to read, it's called companionship. It's more about paying attention to each student.
You may need to be with her for 6 years. Understanding the student is key. For instance, were you planning to take the German test yesterday, considering they are learning German as a second language? Each student's academic and extracurricular preferences are essential to take into account. I kept it to myself, but deep down, I knew the truth.
My life was very simple before I came to 11, and when I really had to make a life decision, I suddenly thought. You say I posted so many articles, how many people can it affect? I happened to come across this 11 seminar, and there is a particularly touching sentence. This slogan is called Change the World with Us in the Way of Education.
He brought my dreams to life. Some value reality, others value ideals. I prioritize ideals. If you seek secondary school education, if you want to pursue personal projects or enhance your talent, traditional schooling is a great choice. A smile.
Spending time with each other actually brings a lot of joy and emotion. Influencing many students in a personalized way can really leave some special positive imprints at their particularly critical stage of growth.
Kindly ask my husband if he views his job as work. He viewed my job as a career, where I served as both a teacher and a perpetual student.
Everyone comes to the education industry with a sense of mission, ideals, and feelings, and I hope to be able to use such an experience, not to mention impact, at least to accompany some students.